this video will be just about how people treat people in real life. There's real speak about how many people get treated different to everyone else. And the problem with this is that society like to treat people differently. People like to treat others who are different because they don't accept what they do, because they've never ever achieved anything great. And it comes down to you wanting to do more with your life rather than what you doing it for who you are. I've always wondered, how can I know when to actually begin? And I thought to myself, well, you just begin by beginning. Yeah, there's always a beginning to get somewhere. And it's the promise that you make to yourself you got to stick to. You got to stick to the promise you make for yourself to be better and wiser. If you was just one of those people who was just being unhappy, miserable, and you're telling someone else to do what they should do in life, like controlling them to do, like go down a 9-to-5 route, well, why am I going to take advice from someone who's unhappy with their life? You're going to take advice from someone who's knows what freedom actually is and how you can give freedom to people. It's like the games of life is just like being the person you once were, who you are, and you want to be the chosen of who the game actually belongs to. But the game actually belongs to you. You choose your path, you choose what you do, your time and your effort. But you might have some people trying to hold you back, saying, no, that's wrong, you're just going to fail. Well, you're not going to know if you never try. And plus, the people who tell you you're going to fail have probably been through stuff where they've always been unhappy. And when you're unhappy, nothing comes to you. You gotta know when you want more. Your body knows when you want more. And it just got me thinking, like, yeah, my body's gonna want me to know more. And know more is always a good thing to have, because your body knows when you want more in life. It just gets to the point where you can be who you want.